Where did he go?
I win! It's like a big ass dictionary. It is. It's the Twitter stuff.
He's gonna write out, will you marry me?
Just kidding.
Will you marry me, Elizabeth? Where did he go? Oh, he's free falling again.
In the world. Does that happen?
He like almost hit the water.
It's amazing. I don't know what's all over my name. No, with Matt Robertson making them? No.
That's a pansy.
Look at him.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
What are you doing? He's just hanging around. I would do. Guess what?
John Thompson.
Ew, no, I look awful.